Not this again. Tried to size down, trumped again. Daddy's home, don't press send. Clicking in while, no anchor, bro. This gotta end. Every morning, same chart, same zone. Market moving fast, I ain't feeling at home. Break of the high, trapped in disguise. Thought I was the king, turns out surprise. But not in fake, house lurking. Price got me sweating, palms straight hurting. Like, come on, man, where's the edge? I knew. Just need my setup clean, let it come through. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, but not for pain. The boss is back, no room for shame. Futures floor taking over the game. Was down bad last week, too much size, no plan, just vibes. Yeah, that's how you die. Now I'm calm, free lot, clean as snow. Clicking that anchor, let that discipline flow. But now them dopamine traps got me chasing green with no recap. Like, chill, bro, let that setup bake. Waiting for the moment, let the market break. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, we trade with aim. The boss is back, no more games. Futures floor, putting clowns to shame. Fake breakouts, pump fakes, wicks that lie. Even caught that lunar move, thought I'd fly. But it don't matter what dreams I rent. If I skip the plan, account gets bent. But nah, them weak trades wild. And no anchor, no click, just straight freestyling. Like, come on fam, that's not the vibe. Run the alive, click, stamp, click, click, watch me grow. Futures floor, got that inner flow. Daddy's home in full control. Let the rest FOMO, we on a roll. Hear my OF like it's satisfact, and now I'm missing the deed. Was lost last week, caught in the heat. Now I'm posted up cleanly.
This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening. Okay, so far full of technical difficulties. At least my audio is working. Let's see if we can get the camera up. It should be up. Don't know why it's not up. I think I got it. There we go. Wow, look at that. Look how convenient. It's not properly centered again. Well, what can you do? All we can do is just keep fixing it every week. Give me a second. Let's compress it here a little bit. Move it over. Open it up. Looks good. I know the real question is why I don't do this before I start, eh? And that's a valid question. Okay, we're good. What did we get on the market open? I'm not even connected. Well, we're supposed to be starting the 50K challenge tonight. Don't know who's joining, who bailed. We'll check it out. I'll have more info as the day passes, as tomorrow passes. I know I got my account and I'm in, so if I'm the only one, then I win. I win by default. If I'm the only one in. We will see. What do we got going on here? These are both a little bit too low. Hold on, there's two more things I gotta change. Unlock, unlock. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16. 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks good, looks good. Okay, so what did we see? What do we got? We opened up higher. Good morning. Okay. You're just trying to drive me crazy. It's a conspiracy. You know, like when you take a person's keys and you put them in the fridge to make him think that he put his keys in the fridge. And then he pours himself a glass of milk, but then when he goes to the bathroom, you pour out the milk and you put in tomato juice. And he's wondering, I see what you're doing. What do we got going? Not much, eh? But a little bit of volatility, 6.36. Last time I count, just not sure who's in, what rules evolved over the weekend. No, nothing. I can't say anything evolved. I didn't speak with anybody. Last person I spoke to was you on Saturday, it was, I guess. Saturday, Friday? I don't even remember. Is that possible? Oh, yeah, it's real time. Okay. But, well, what do you mean you still have your account? How could you get rid of it if you have it? I still have mine also. I just don't know if they gave me my my Trade-Evate credentials. Let's go take a look. Who am I looking for? Looking for the firm with the best payout policy. Just we don't give you your credentials when you get an account. We haven't thought that far into it. Oh, time's not in the right place. Let me see. Wow, look at that. I dropped it right in the right place. Just by instinct. Let's log in and see. My theory is, nope, still pending. My theory was that when we came online, okay, well, I'll have to send them an email. Great. So that's good. You pay $100 for an account with no activation fee, and it's going to take 7 days for me to get my credentials. I know I'm being negative, but let's see how long it takes for them to get back to me. Can I send them an email now, or it's Monday to Friday only? We are currently offline. Please let us know when we can rebill you. I mean, when we can help you. We're offline. When an agent replies to your request, you'll get an email. I can't lie. Sorry. Let's just try again. Are you online? Can I please get my credentials for my new account? Are you online? Please provide your information below. And you'll, oh, I'll be connected to an agent. Good evening, Mike. I'm connected to an agent. Name. Oh, there it is. Next. Email. Next. I don't have my Trade-of-8 credentials, and my new account is set to pending, and there is nothing I can do. I watched the 2 videos on how to connect the new account, and both show that I need to connect to Trade-of-8. Not even one spelling mistake. How's that? Okay, do I have anything good going? Current swing low, 1. Current swing high, 1. Current swing high, 2, 1. Tracking, swing high, 1. False. Tracking, swing high, 2. False. Lock, swing low, 1. False. There's the same problem I had with them. 12 days. Well, hopefully they'll solve it quicker for me because I'm Canadian. Lordy, 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 lordy. Well, it says it's going to connect me with a human. What about MFFU? Wow, I'm forgetting. Mine worked right away. Yeah, you got your Trade-of-8 credentials. Maybe you already had. Maybe you already had. I'm new, so they have to generate the account for me, and then, I mean, it's pretty fucking simple. You just go on their website. It says pending. You click on the word pending, and it goes to a thing over here, and it says activate. How to activate my account for the first time, and you click on it, and it says enter in your Trade-of-8 login and password on the Trade-of-8 account, but I have login blank, password blank. So they didn't give it to me yet. I was pretty certain that they were just waiting for the markets to open at 6 p.m. That's like the old days. In the old days, the firms were like that. You had to wait for the markets to open. Now you don't have to anymore, but yeah, well, the markets are open. Tick tock, tick tock. My time is passing. Let's go take a look at gold. We don't need that showing, right? Yeah, we don't. Put that up there. And what's next? Gold. 33.40. Gold had an interesting opening, eh? Okay, well, I might take a trade in gold, but still no reply. Are they that busy on a Sunday night? Did you guys hear the video that Daryl, I think, was talking? I think that's who it is. He said they have like 200,000 or 250,000 active accounts. Is that insane or what, eh? Bum. Gold's coming down. I'm not going to take a long. Let's go over here. 16 Renko. We need to move that off all the way there. Crude, I want to watch. Interesting. Wow, Crude had a really interesting opening. Wow, look at that. Total insanity. That's a good thing I'd like to show Omnius. It looks a little bit. What if I make it 2 is not enough? 12.4? 12.4 is a lot. 16. 4.812. How about 12.3? How about 9.3? 6.2. Let's try 9.3. Booyah. It solved my problems. Nope. Data. I saw a video by a guy. He said you can't lose trading the markets. And then he shows you how you need to play. You have to optimize your moving average to find the moving average that hugs your price really good. So stupid. 8. Let's try 8 and 2. I think I'm going to go with 8 and 2. I think I had 6 and 2. 8 and 2 is going to be the one. I like 8 and 2. Okay, but we're not trading crude tonight. Let's go back to gold. We're not following gold over here. We're not doing that, and we're over here. Let's load my scalping lines. And let's get the scalping lines on the gold chart. $90.04. Oh, that was cool. That was a bit of a 15-point move in the last 5 minutes on NQ. Okay. Still no reply. Let me minimize it. Hey, what happened? Audio output. Let me do that just in case it rings or dinglings. I'll hear it. So, as I said, did anybody win yet? Did anybody make it? Oh, what chip? I got back to ChatGPT and I said, hey, I'm not talking to you, I was talking to GPT. I said, shithead, how can you consider a 5-lot a full port in a 50K account? I said, doesn't full port have a meaning? Isn't the specific meaning of full port maximum contracts only? Meaning that with Apex you can trade a 10 mini, and if you take a 9 mini, you're not full porting. Full porting isn't a subjective thing. I said it's a term. It's a word that was developed to signify that you've taken a trade with maximum contracts. So you know what GPT said? Yes, you're right. I just thought you were asking regarding the plan, the risk plan that we've worked out for you. So for you, a 5-lot is full porting, because I'm only, with GPT, I established I'm only allowed to trade 3 micros with 1 ad. So up to 6-lot, but it always assumes, it knows I often that I add, so a 5-lot would be end up being 10 micros. So it said for you, meaning me, it's a full port, but not according to the definition that the trader community uses, full port. And I said, oh, okay, yeah, good thing you clarify it now when Woodchip's not around, huh? What's up, Butter Stunts? Mine does. I pay for it, and I tell it what to remember. And my risk plan is stored in memory. Actually, I have a whole thread. It's a really long one that's all stored in memory, where it acts as my trading coach and accountability partner and risk manager. So everything in there is stored in memory. Not only that, I have safe words. I can't even change it unless I use a safe word. Believe it or not. And I forget the safe words, but the really good thing about GPT is you can just say, what are my safe words? And it reminds me. But I've yet to use them. Yeah, no, in general, GPT doesn't have a memory because people don't want it storing their information. But I said, well, that's ridiculous. Just don't give it your personal sensitive information. But full-blown memory will be rolling out, and it will be a toggle thing, so you can toggle it on or off depending on how, because it's annoying, you know, every time you start a new thread. I don't care. You know what? That stuff never bothered me. Blues. Oh, look at this little move. Well, I did some insane coding this week. Really good stuff. I love it. Love it, I love it. Okay, I don't even know what accounts I have. I don't know where they are. And I'm in the mood to trade, and I'm at my, I'm at a location where oh, stops in the wrong place. Okay, first one down. What did I lose? It says $54. Okay, down $54. Let's take a shot in gold. Another tight stop trade. I'm not even sure where it is. Oh, it stopped that already. Well, that didn't take long. Okay, well, if I can stop out at break even, how's that for a trade and a half? Come on, fill me. What am I? Don't go anywhere because I want to reverse. Go back up. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Hey, what happened? Okay. There we go. We're back in. Now we're short. That was exciting. So I guess they didn't reply to me. I didn't hear anything yet. No dingling, no bell. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, my account had a failed creation issue. Didn't know there were failed creation issues. Hey, baby, love it. Ding-a-ling, I just won the competition. That was a $3,000 trade. Send your congratulations to me. Please. Okay, hi there. It's Eggy. The guy's name is Eggy. Wow, there's a guy named Eggy. Shit, he must have been made fun of in high school. Please be advised we're currently experiencing a higher volume of chats. Or we're just understaffed. It all depends on how you want to interpret it. So our response time might be a bit slower. I understand that you're looking for assistance. I really appreciate your patience while we work through this. Please feel free to share any concerns. Really? Why will I share concerns? Why will I waste your time with my concerns if you're super busy with higher than normal volume? Why don't we just give you my problems? Upon checking your records, it looks like you had a failed creation issue. We can offer two options for you. We can refund you the full amount, and you will need to purchase a new account, or we can give you a free account as a replacement to what you paid for. A free account is valid for 60 days and will have no renewal fees. That sounds like a good deal. But if you have not passed it after 60 days, the account will expire. Ooh, I wasn't going to go past 30 days anyways. I just got a free 30 days. We will still attach the same promo to the free account if you choose this option. Kindly confirm. Also, kindly cancel your subscription, so you'll not be charged next month for any renewal fees. Here's a guide. A guide for what? How to cancel. I know how to cancel my subscription. Sure. So Eggy, give me the free account as a replacement. I'll just copy and paste. It would be nice if my second target gets hit. A free account that's valid for 60 days and has no renewal fees. I love it. I love it. I love it. Control copy. I have 60 days to pass. Please give me door number 2. Control paste, exact words he used. A free account, valid for 60 calendar days, with no renewal fees. Boom, boom, boom. And I will go and cancel my other account immediately. Oh, wait. Politeness. Thanking you in advance. ... Wood chip. Boom. Boom shakalaka. Okay, so let's go and cancel. Minimize. Cancel subscription. Do you want to cancel subscription? Yes. Subscription has been canceled. Let's go back to Eggy. I just canceled my subscription already. ... Thank you for all your prompt assistance. That's going to make him feel good, right? Am I still in the gold? It's going against me already. Eggy's a good guy, yeah? Yeah, that's on my Take Profit Trader. I just got an extra 30 free days. Booyah. I can take my time. You guys can win the competition. I got 60 days to pass my account. Ding, 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 ding. Yeah. You get a free account and it expires after 60 days. Why is that crap? I love it. I wasn't going to renew after 30 days anyways if I didn't pass. I was either going to fail it or cancel it. What do you think? I'm going to keep paying $100 every month for an account? What a deal, eh? I'd rather pay $17 than blow my account. Now I got 60 days. 60 days to pass. You guys only got 30. You see what, Chip? It's all in perspective. For you, you call it crap. And for me, it's a birthday present. Hey, good job. When it's all said and done, you're going to have to send me photos. Or post them in Discord. Yeah, post them in Discord. Okay, let's see how long it takes Aggie to get back to me now. Joker said don't. Oh, yeah. Yeah, let's go for some oh, yeah. Okay, well, why did Joker say don't? That's usually important. That's an important detail, no? Boom, bow, bow. Chicka, chicka, chicka. Oh, yeah. That was me being like a backup singer, doing it with him. I took door number 1. Don't do the free account. Nice. Well, it's on record. I don't think the, let's push 23,030. What do you mean 23,030? Gold's at 33.36. What was that? Oh, my wife's starting with the messages already. Look at that. She figured out a... Oh, here she goes, starting with the TikToks already. Every TikTok she watches, I have to see. Are you starting again with the TikToks? I told you, I don't want to see everyone you watch. Okay, let's start a poll. Ask a question. Does my wife listen to me and stop sending me a link to every TikTok she watches? Start the poll. Yeah, and listen, guys, like I said, you know what, I'm going to take a screenshot, but it was very clear. We will still attach the same promo to the free account if you choose this option. Obviously, I'm going to get no activation fees, but I'm going to take a screenshot of this. Print screen. There we go. I have a record of it now, just in case. What did my wife answer? I told her to stop. I told her once she reaches 100 in one day, are you starting again? 5922. Oh, she's getting mad at me. She thinks I'm picking on her. Why is gold going back up? You came so close to my second TP. Oh, shit. You know what? I got to get out. Sorry, guys. Boom. I have the wrong numbers on the chart. The strategy is the same, but the input variables are different. And I didn't change them. I didn't go to the template for gold. So I got to get out. Let's go back to NQ 23030. If someone got my sarcasm. Do you? No, not at all. Are you kidding? She doesn't want to watch my TikToks. The TikToks I watch are about physics and simulation theory. Cute cat videos. Love those. Hold on. Edit. I send her the cute animal ones. The really funny ones. Template. Load. Gold. But still, I try to keep it down to like 3 a week, to be honest with you. I really don't send a lot. People don't want to be bothered with your crap. Not everybody finds the same thing interesting. She's watching the stream? No, we have company over. She might check later. Good luck tonight. No, not full porting. Don't plan on it. And hopefully, if I'm lucky, I'll get my account set up tonight. It's an interesting trade. Come on, come on, come on. Give me a little bit better price. See, I should have had a limit order. Buy limit right there. I missed it like a schmuck. I'm busy doing too many things. He still didn't reply, but you know what? The last time it took him a damn long time, so I'll give them the benefit of the doubt. They got back to me already today. Still not filled in my long. Trade tips. Okay. Long or strong. Yeah, I'll give you a trade tip. I'm not a financial advisor. And do not copy my trades. I trade drunk, and this is for entertainment only. Ooh, they're screaming upstairs. I don't know if you guys can hear it. I tried to get the 1 penny Topstep account. Did you hear they were having a 1 penny promotion? I didn't get it. I guess it was only for a day, maybe. Maybe I saw it late. Oh, there's a trade in Topstep. I love the screaming. You can hear it, really? What's going on up there? It seems that it may have stopped for now. My wife's got to learn that when your kids turn 24, you can't tell them what to do anymore. Those days are over. You can maybe just give them advice if they want to hear it. I love the honesty. There was honesty? What was the honesty? That they're screaming? What do I care? I'm always screaming also. Dad, anger management issues. That's what they always tell me. I'm a lot better, though. I used to be crazy. They used to hear me with the windows closed across the street. That was when my kids were younger and just wouldn't listen at anything you told them. Okay, so let's go look at my account. I am down $20.72 on an Apex account. So who's Skeletor? Yeah, I was gonna say, so who's playing in this competition theoretically? Skeletor, Woodchip, Mike, that's me. I'm the second Mike. And Joker. Potentially. And potentially it's just me. We'll see tomorrow, I guess, who's in. I think Woodchip's in. Yep, absolutely. I treat my kids like that. They call me Mike. They don't call me Dad most of the time. Occasionally they call me Dad. But I told them since they were young, call me Mike. Starts at midnight. Sure, starts at midnight. I don't have an account anyways. I don't care. Start tomorrow. Starts at midnight. By tomorrow morning, I'm going to have some memes for it. I already know what I'm going to do. I'm going to stay up late making the memes while all you guys are sleeping in your warm beds, dreaming of God knows what. I'm going to be working on graphics and memes and sounds. Actually, it doesn't take that long, to be honest with you. I've gotten good at it. Let's go. Let's go. I feel like methodical man. Let's go. Let's go. You the man. Everyone's got to have a calling card, eh? I told Butterstunts I was going to steal his. Oh, yeah. Hey, guys, it's James' birthday tomorrow. So when he comes on, all you guys, without me even telling you, see who remembers to tell him happy birthday. And then he's going to give me shit. Why'd you tell him when my birthday is? That's personal information. Oh, Lord. I'm going to do him a birthday meme too. Wow, look at gold going. Just falling and falling. Come on, stupid fucking NQ. You don't always have to go against me. It is possible there's another direction, and that would be in the direction of my trades, right? 5.46 average range at 1 minute candles. What does the 30-minute chart look like? Let's take a quick look. I don't see anything of significance or importance except that we're rising. What about this chart here? Anything? Nope. Let's go back here. The daily NQ, super duper strong. Gold, where's the gold daily? Gold daily should be here. Super strong. Crude daily. Hopefully we tumble. Let's go back to NQ. Okay, so I'm in one NQ trade, and hopefully that this NQ trade will come to a close before midnight, even though my stop is only 5 points away, 6 points away. 6 times 6, risking a big $36. My first target is 8 points away. My second target is 16 points away. My third target, well, it's a trail. Should the markets take off? Not even watching my long trade. I need price updates. Sure, yeah, you told me you wanted that. 22,987. We're still sucking on VWAP. We didn't make a move 5 points from VWAP yet. VWAP is at 22,990. We're trading at 22,987. I'll let you know if we move 5 points away. I'm in from 985. Cool. I'm in from 989. I'll let you know. I'll let you know when I get stopped out. We're very close. My stop is at 983.25. You don't put your chart on your phone while it's on your dash and you're driving? Well, if I get stopped out, I'm going to be 0 for 2 tonight. My evening trading, I swear to God, I think my evening trading has about a 30% accuracy. Very low. It's either because the markets just don't have enough continuation, or I don't have enough patience, or I'm entering impulsively. But this is a valid trade, what I did here. So was the gold, except the gold was based on the wrong chart. Right now I have a gold short, actually. A very tight stop gold short. Super duper tight. Almost no stop. It's so tight. How can I not take it? It's a free trade. There, I got filled. You want to know where my stop is? Check some, man. Kind of there. Sometimes I have the chart when I'm driving, but I'm watching you for advice. I don't give advice. Oh, stop that one, Chip. We're 5 points away from VWAP. We are now trading at 983. We got as low as 982. And shit, damn. Oh, I thought my gold hit target. I saw a different chart. Where is the gold? Let's put the gold up. I thought gold hit target, but no, it didn't. Let's go gold. Yeah, baby, another 70 cents. That's about the tightest trade you can set. I would love to hear the cash register ring. How many people voted no for my wife? Only 4? Come on. Oh, 40 cents. Let's go. Block your ears. 30 cents. It's going to be loud. Oh, come on. That's going back up. Wah, wah, wah. 30 more cents. You couldn't give me 30 cents. For $1.50 on a 50-cent stop. Yeah, it's 50 cents, my stop. Oh, we're going back. 40 cents. Sell it. 36.4, 36.5. My bid is at 36.9. You see, that's a 36.4 to 36.9 bid. Where's 5, 6, 7, and 8 in between there? What kind of market is gold? 36.3, 0.2, 0.1. Oh, we hit it in gold. 30. Let me move my stop to break even. Can I? Hold on. No, my stop's still in the right place. Shit. Shit. Now I'm going to break even. I'll go just over the high here. Just over the swing high. Hopefully that swing high holds. For a 2-lot. Love hearing the cash register. I should go take a look at NQ. I think I should be short in NQ. I'll watch gold on the my other chart. Probably get stopped out. Gold seems to have a habit of doing that, but at least I picked one off. And since we're having such a good time tonight, let me sell 3 NQ, even though there's wicks there. And there's the swing low here. And we kind of wicked it. Am I in? No, I'm not in. 982, what chip? 7, 8 points away from VWAP. Market kind of opened up, but then it just is kind of being kind of flip-flopping on either side. Okay, I got stopped out of gold. I am now down $59. Oh, someone voted. Yes, I guess my wife is on the stream. I guess my wife is on the stream. It's a shame I didn't get filled. Look at that. It would have been so nice. Well, you know what they say? The ones that are hard to fill are the ones that are going to go in that direction. The ones that are easy to fill are probably the ones that are going to stop you out. I don't know, wifey. Everyone thinks you're not going to listen to me. But you know what? Since I said stop, I haven't got, my phone hasn't ringed yet. This morning, I'm going to tell you, my phone, I was working, my phone sounded like a pinball machine. She was sending me so many messages. Ding, 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 ding. After about 10 minutes, I thought I won a free game. So tomorrow, as far as I know, the big competition. Do I have a banner for it? I think I created a banner for it. Anybody know where the banner is? It was up. Hold on. Let me find it. I got to go to a special screen. Be patient. Don't be so... There it is. Don't be so edgy. Life is short. Copy. Paste. There we go. July 7th. Some of that information is accurate. Some of it isn't. For you to guess which. Is the date July 7th? Is it really a 50K trading account? Is it really 3 subs versus 3 streamers? He hasn't got back to me, to Pecker. Eggy. Hey, Eggy, where are you? Oh, he heard me. The little dots are going. He's writing me a message. Eggy. Let me show you how he spells his name. I'm not making this up. You couldn't if you wanted to. That's how he spells his name. That's who I'm speaking to right now. They are busy. They are busy. Butter's done. Sorry, no one's winning today. You know what? Let me switch it up. Once I start winning, you guys start winning. Deal me in. 64. 38. That's Butter's done. So you know who won. I don't even know who won. Futures floor draws high number. I won. Butterstone's dries high. See, starting to win. What does Eggy have to say? I already created your account, and your trading account ID would be. You guys want me to type out my my trading account ID here in the chat? Hold on, let me get it. Okay, my trading ID. That's my trading ID. If anybody needs it, let me give you my password. There's my password. So you guys, I need the confirmation. I am. There you go. You got my trading ID and my password. Oh, you know what? I took a screenshot of that thing and I forgot to post it. Or not post it, but you know, save it. Copy. Close. No. Close. No. No. Okay, we got another short in gold. Let's see if we can get in. Hopefully this one will work out. Let's go to the gold chart. You guys can watch. Up. Is my stop in the right place? No, it's not. It's a little bit higher. You know why it's a little higher? Because I didn't fight for price, so I didn't get the right price. Wow, look at that, eh? We almost got to my my ching ching. Away, away, come on, let's hear the cash register. Fucking gold, just go. Push, let's go for push. I just gotta save something. New folder. And let's call the file, the image, account, mix up, save. Yes. Close. Let's go look at my trades. There's a long. Can I take the long in NQ? Ooh, we're above. I'll go for a long in NQ right here. It's a better price. Fill me. I miss it. I miss it. I missed it. There we go. I got in for 2. 2's enough. If gold had rang the cash register, I would let it go, but gold didn't ring the cash register, so. Let's go. NQ can ring the cash register. Gold, well, gold did another wick. 1.19. We'll watch them both. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully NQ can make it to 02. What chip? We're back above VWAP. Remember I got stopped out, I think, at 92 or something? No, not 92. At 80. I don't know. Doesn't matter. What chip? VWAP is at 92. That's where it's always been. We went 5 points below. I got stopped out. You were in, I think you said at 85. That's it. I think we went as low as 83. We went as low as 76. And now we're back up above VWAP and we're trading at 22,995 and gold is getting ready to ring the bell. Let's go take a look at gold. Let's go. So many trades. How do I handle it? Let's go back to my dashboard and see. Oh, there it is. Oh boy, it's pending again. Oh, you pecker. They didn't give me 60 days. It expires on September. Anyways. Oh, look at that. I have take profit. I have trade evade to take profit. I have trade evade info. Okay, perfect. I'm ready to go. See? Told you what, Chip. If you're from Canada, it doesn't take 12 days. It only takes 12 days for Americans. NQ might ring the register. Still losing money somehow, but NQ might ring the register. Might go for a pop. Let's watch it on the black chart there. Let's see if we can ring the bell. NQ's going. Gold. Come on, gold. Gold, I'm short. Reach lower. It's going. It's trying. NQ, I'm long. Reach higher. Let's go. Let's go.
Come on.
Boom!
Do a nice push for us.
We got it. We got it. We got it. We got it.
Right
Yeah,
in the
we
kisser.
got it. Right in the kisser. We got it. Let's get another one. Let's get another one. Let's get NQ. NQ's so close. Come on, reach one more. Of course you're going to go. What chip? We're at 22,997.50. I'm not going to tell you where gold is because you're not trading gold. I don't know why you're not trading gold. What chip? You should be trading gold. You know what? I want to hear that register a little bit. It's not even in my headphones. There we go. Now it's in my headphones. Ooh, 100. Way too loud. Okay, now we need gold to extend. I'm up $1 after all that. Ouch! 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 That hurts. You work so hard. Where's my stop? See my stops. It's not placing my stops properly. That's my stop in NQ, and that's my stop in gold. So now you see my proper stop in NQ, and my stop in gold is right above my entry. 5765, 80 cents away with a target of almost $3. 816, 24, 32 for those who are mathematically challenged. That's a 4-to-1 right now on that piece of the trade. And NQ just really just went the wrong way. What chip? We got below VWAP again with kind of a pretty big candle. We went from 23,000 down to 22,988, 12 points in 1 minute. 6-point range in the 1 minute candles.
What chip? Can you hear me?
I hope you have it on the car speakers. Well, gold is still doing good. Let's go gold. 3.9. You know what? That's good enough for me. Let's take it. Let's move the stop to break even so we don't lose money. Let's get back to NQ. Should I add to NQ? I only got one lot. Thank God I got out of my other one. Not really. Oh, maybe yes, I will add to NQ. I don't know if you can see the white chart. Yes, you can. That little dotted line there is a low risk entry. So by bid right there, booyah, low risk entry. I don't even mind losing on those. Gold will let it go. Bear stunts. I added 10Q. I don't know. Are you short or you're long, Butter? Can I call you Butter? Or should I call you Butt for short? I'm taking my gold. I'm out. Gold is done. I got out. Look at that. Beautiful. Short loop. I don't know what that means. Whoo! That was more excitement than I paid for. Short, LOL. Okay. You mean you made a typo with 2 additional letters? Hold on, hold on. Who am I imitating? Yeah, that's a typo. I meant to type in LOL. Hold on, let me try something. What's your name? Oh, it's Butters. That's what you get when you type Butters with your elbow. I spelled it wrong. Typo. Fuck off, man. Win, lose, win, lose, win, lose, win, lose, win, lose. Maybe my glasses are dirty. Maybe that's why I keep losing. Nobody look, I'm yawning. Where's my stop? The stop is at 80. We're at 87. That's too much. I don't want to risk 4 points. Gold is another low risk short trade. Not sure I want to take it for 3 lots. A lot of those low risk trades are getting stopped out. I think this one will get stopped out. Here, let me put it up for you. I'll show you where the stop is. The stop is at... let's do global. And let's do global. And now you can see the stop is right there. So look how close we are. So to sell it right now, oh, baby. You're really not risking much, but I don't want to do it. But if it goes back down, which we never know, it could happen. Still nursing the NQ long. Butterstunts is short. Futures floor is long. Long versus short. Who will win? Hey, you want to see the video I made for the competition that may or may not happen? Let me see if I can figure out where it is. Hold on. Vid competition. Let me just make sure the sound is working. Where's the audio? Audio. Vid competition. Advanced audio properties. It's working. Close. It's on. What the hell? Minimize properties. Let's go to browse. I don't know if I'll be able to find it. Boom, boom, boom. Did I delete it out of frustration from Saturdays? Hey, shit, it's going back down again. Oh, I may have found, oh, really? Nothing? Wait, there's still one more hope. Okay, I think this is it. Oh, I hope this is it. Oh shit, there's 3 of them. 4 of them. 5 of them. 6, 7. Well, let's look at the time. How are we doing? Boom. Yeah, I don't know which one it is. Wait, maybe I can figure it out. Hold on. How are we doing? Still hanging around alive? Yeah, it's not playing properly. Not that one, not that one, but this one. One of them will play properly. Nope. Last chance. Ooh, just a one. Okay, here it is. That's me, Joker, and Omnius. Let's get the sound. Anybody even here? Yeah. You still there, Butter Stunts? It should play, I think. Mike Stunts, deep me in. There, Mike. I made a little video. That's me, Omnius, and Joker. Okay. I hope the audio works.
What dip Stunts Emperor?
Ah, it's not playing,
you
bro.
fucking losers. Out of here.
Hold on, hold on. Let it clear.
What dip Stunts Emperor? Go cry to your mamas, you fucking losers. Out of here. What dip Stunts Emperor? Go cry to your mamas, you fucking losers. Out of here.
Come on. Sure it does. Especially me. I don't have pictures of the other guys. I just got to kind of wing it for them. I was pretty good there. It looks nothing. You know what you have to do? You have to take your glasses off if you wear glasses and see it blurry. Or rub onions in your eyes. And then it looks like us. That's the trick. Just go rub onions in your eyes. And you'll be amazed at the resemblance. What are we doing? Gold looks like it's trying to go for another short. There you want to keep them. Discard. Let's get back to NQ. Oh, I'm still in an NQ trade. I almost forgot. That looks nothing like this. Hey, I didn't say I'm an artist. Woo! Oh, it's true. It's true. It's true. It's true. I had something to do. I don't have a browser open. Edra doesn't work the same as before. That's it. They stopped me out. What chip? We're at 22,980. 22 points under view up. If you're still listening, you didn't comment on my screaming into you didn't comment on me screaming into the mic. So now what? I'm back down to $50. Ooh, I love it. 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 Okay, cool. Gold's in a trade. Short again. Oh, but we're at the previous day's low. Kind of a reason not to take the trade, but let's be a wild man. And NQ is short. Okay, and a gold trade. And I'm in an NQ trade. Click, click. Let's see what we can squeeze out of this. Not looking for miracles. Six, 12, 18. Come on, reach. One of you reach for the take profit line, ring the cash register. NQ looks like it wants to make a little bit of a dump. Let's see if NQ can get down to 74. Whereas, yeah, that's where I'm bidding. Okay. Let's go. Push. Push, push, push. Guys, I wasn't born with this much with this much patience. Not in the mood. There we go. NQ's going in the wrong way. Gold went in the right way. NQ is trying. This isn't exactly competition winning. Performance. But NQ's trying again. Gold, gold, gold. Every time the exact same thing. Goes down. Takes one TP. You know what? Next time it's going to be all at TP. Let's get out of that. Let's get out of gold. Readjust. Reset my bearings. Bum 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 bum. What do I want to do? I want to go here. Really? Oh, there we go. Let's go back here. Paste. Properties. Cancel. Okay. We can leave it go. It's a good thing I got out of gold. It's a good thing I got out of anything, everything. What do we have? Okay, that's enough for the poll. Okay, so we got below VWAP. We traded below VWAP by about 20 points, 18 points. We wicked a swing low from 8 o'clock. Now it's 8:30. I always have a theory that we can see a low put in or a high put in between 8 or 8:30. So we got a bit of a wick there. Maybe that's the low. The wick was at 22,975, 15 points below VWAP. 22,975. VWAP is at 22,990, about 990. Low was at 975. That's 15 points below with a bit of a wick. And we're heading higher. Now we're at 982, 7 points higher. Depending on what this candle does, we may have a bullish fair value gap. Actually, I don't think so anymore. Gold triggered short, eh? Yeah, it's true. No, I wasn't a gold short. I had a chance for a low risk entry. I missed it. It's too bad. It's too bad because the low risk entry was at 33.3 and now it's at 31.3. And the stop was like 50 cents, I think. So it's already 4-1. We lost the streamer for our competition as far as I know. So if anybody knows a streamer that wants to participate, let him know. Just don't send anything to Pine. He won't answer you. He's too busy. It's too important. He's a big shot now. He's a macher. He's forgotten his roots, where he's came from. Let's sell a 3-lot here. Boom. Let's move the stop where it should be. And let's hope that VWAP holds. Okay, well, if the low risk trade's going to hold, now we just got to wait for it to take its time and slowly rotate lower. Hey, nice, nice, nice. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. Nice. One more. One more. Come on.
Pow! Right in the kisser!
Very good. Move the stop to break even. Let this go to the basement. What chip, if you're listening? We're at 979, 980. Think of it as 980. VWAP's at 990, 10 points below VWAP. Remember how I said we're just flip-flopping on both sides of VWAP? Whoa, look at that. Look at that range. Let's mark it at Control F12. 305, basically to 975. So that's a 30-point range. And given that we're right at the bottom of that range, I'm getting out. Why watch it go all the way back up, right? I'm buying at the low. Buy low, sell high. Isn't that what they say you're supposed to do? Or is that just a rumor? Hey, what if I move it? What if I put it here? How big can I make it? Ooh, not bad. Look at that. I like it. Much better over there. Okay, what chip? We're kind of breaking sport. Maybe we'll wick it. We're at 973. I say what chip because he's the only one that asks for updates. I work for him. He pays me $10 and I give him updates while he's driving. Mm. I think we're short a participant in the 50K trading account competition. Anybody wants to participate? It's free. After you buy the account. We went with Take Profit Trader. 50K accounts. Use code MYTH. MYTH. We look like we're wicking. We look like we're wicking over there. Hopefully the next trading account competition we have, hopefully the firm will sponsor and we'll get free accounts. That's the goal. The first firm to agree, we'll stick with. We'll remain loyal to. I think that's a fair deal, right? And my cover down there at the bottom at 22,975 is looking good. My eyebrow is twitching. Mm-hmm. It's funny that Butterstunts doesn't get XP points. Really weird. Deal me in. Can anyone confirm the rumor that if you get up to 225 XP points, YouTube sends you a free extra large pizza? You're also typing with your elbows? Deke me in. Dealer draws 15, Butterstunts draws 12. Ping. That's my wife. You know what she's saying? Good night, dear. Nope. She just sent me another video she saw. I told her not to send me Instagrams. She said, oh, you know what you did? I swear to God, I'm not making this up. She sent me an Instagram. You told me not to send you TikToks. She is right. Let's go see the Instagram. Oh my God. Okay, it's an animal one. It's okay. Oh, music just played for less than a second. Not that interesting. It's just a monkey. He's not even doing anything. He's eating straw. And they're playing the song Somewhere Over a Rainbow. No offense, dear. I don't think that's very interesting. She doesn't like when I call her dear. Oh, there she is. Read it. Okay, I'll read it. I'll read it. There she is, guys. Go give her a hard time. Tell her to leave me alone. Yeah, it is. Tell her to leave me alone. Tell her I'm streaming. Read it. I'll tell you what it says. It's in French. My wife's French. She's wondering what I did to have a wife as wonderful as her. No, what I did to deserve. That's probably what it is, because it's in French. I don't translate that well. We can't really speak to each other. She speaks French. I speak English. We don't understand each other. All I know is that when she talks, I say, yes, dear. That's my job. Yeah, so that's it. She wants it's what I did to deserve such a marvelous wife. I don't know. I've lived a kind and generous life. I care about other people, and I make them laugh. What more can you want in a husband? Anybody? What more could you want in a husband? I know, right? You know what they say? Sense of humor. The most important thing when you ask a girl what characteristic they value the most. Sense of humor. Me and Howie Mandel, we're like brothers. Everyone says I look like Steve Martin, by the way, also. Come on, guys, bug her. Tell her to make a camera appearance. Tell her to come and trade on Fridays. I thought she was eager for it, but she rolled her eyes the last time. Remember we did the poll, and then I said that I showed it to her. I printed it. I showed it to her. She just rolled her eyes. You guys want to see Mrs. Futures floor? Mrs. Futures floor. Okay, it's time for another poll. And when I say Mrs. Futures floor, it's not me in heels, by the way, guys. I won't be I have no plans to masquerade as Mrs. Futures floor. We're still very far away from Halloween. What do we got? Do I have anything going on over here, over here, over here? Any numbers in? Okay, current swing low, 22,964. That's correct. Current swing high. We don't even have a current swing high 1 or a current swing high 2. Tracking swing high 1 is true. Tracking swing high 2 is false. Lock swing low 1 is true. Swing low 1 is locked. How do we know? Because we have the line. Are you guys confused? Of course you are. You didn't code this, I did. How many of you would laugh if Mrs. Futures floor came down now with a pen and hit me in the head? Huh? Would that be funny? Mrs. Futures floor. Am I still online? I didn't even do a sound check. I mean, I guess you guys hear me. You're all responding. I didn't even do a sound check. I mean, I guess you guys hear me. You're all responding. There we go. Mike Stunts. Yeah. I don't know what the yeah is for. You guys are on an 8-second delay. Do you know how many things I said in the last 8 seconds? Yeah, there's 3 questions out there, Mike. Am I still online? Can you guys hear me? And do you want to meet Mrs. Futures Floor? All those 3 were out there, so I don't know what your yeah was for. Wow, they're having a good time up there. They're laughing. Maybe they're watching the stream. Maybe they put me up. Maybe they put me up on the TV. Wow, wouldn't that be funny? If they put me up on the big screen TV and they're watching and laughing at me. That would be entertainment. Never even thought of that. Oof. That's okay. That's my purpose. It's to make people laugh. If you make people laugh in life, you did good. That's what I believe. How many chips can a wood chip chip if a wood chip could chip chips? I think I'm tired. Ah. Well, we're likely going to go lower. I mean, I'm not a big trend line guy, but if I were to draw one, hey, if I were to draw a trend line, wait, that's not good. There. You guys see that pattern? Stay focused. Okay, I'm sorry. Thank you, Nightbot. Let's stay focused and let's get the trend line, the actual trend line up. The one that I was actually thinking about. Hey, monsieur. There we go. I don't know, something like that. If I were to think about the angle of decline, probably something like that. I'm not a trendline trader, so don't sue me if that one looks bad. Speaking of being sued, did you guys hear? Did you see that video? Someone put up a video saying that Topstep, I think, is allegedly suing Patrick Wieland, allegedly. For allegedly violating an alleged non-disclosure agreement. Allegedly. He allegedly got paid hundreds of thousands of dollars just not to say stuff. Could you believe it? I'll keep my mouth shut for hundreds of thousands of dollars. 4.74. Average range of the 1 minute candles at the moment. 140K on the on-balance volume. Yeah, well, he allegedly got paid hundreds of thousands of dollars to allegedly not say anything. But allegedly he didn't honor it. So he's allegedly being sued. Notice how I allegedly protected myself there from allegedly making any claims. All you gotta do is say the word allegedly in every sentence. It's a magic word. Like a cross for a vampire. Let's go Nightbot. Dealer draws 73. Nightbot 85. Nightbot never loses, eh? Doesn't matter. If the dealer draws 100, Nightbot draws 100 and ties and gets 26-1. Nightbot never loses. How many chips does Nightbot have? 43,252. I bet that's number 2 place, and Nightbot just joined my channel like a week ago. Very quiet, Nightbot. Doesn't talk much. New subscriber. Speaking of new subscribers, if any of you guys are new to my channel, click the subscribe button. And you too can allegedly deal me in. Let's go, Mike. Dealer draws 46. Mike Stunts draws 100. Highest number on the totem pole.
Pow! Right in the kisser!
Mike gave it to the dealer. The dealer is walking funny now. Hey! Sorry, guys. I worked on them. I get to play with them. I'm bored. Tomorrow there's going to be a whole slew of new ones. I can't wait. I'm not sleeping. I'm going to trade through the night. I'm going to win the competition overnight. And I'm going to make new animations. And then I'm going to pass out at 10 o'clock in the morning. What time is it? 8:57. Let's see what happens at 9 o'clock. That's what I'm sticking around for. Actually, Woodchip says the 8:30. There's supposed to be a move at 8:30. There really was no move at 8:30. How are we doing over here? Still nothing. Still don't even have a current swing high one. Keep checking in. I have a stomach ache. We ate too much garlic tonight. Want to smell my breath? Told you we ate garlic. Now the foam on my microphone's going to smell for a week. I'll have to swap it out for a new one. Lord, 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 Lord. What we do when we're bored, huh? Maybe. Just maybe. What do you guys think? Should I play with my balls? Dealer draws 70. Wah, wah, wah. Do I have a wah, wah, wah? I think I have a wah, wah, wah. Let's see. Where's my noise thing? What? We got all these new sounds? Huh. But they're all locked. What the fuck? Where are my sounds? I pay, where are the unlocked ones? Oh, there they are. Oh, wait a minute. They're gone. They're not even there. Standard Discord sounds. They took them away. Oh, that's good. So they charge you $4 a month. Hey, Joker. Yeah, we had a great weekend. We did. Actually, we actually did. Not being facetious, not being sarcastic. It was a good weekend. It was quiet. We didn't do much, but it was a good weekend. Ah, 9 o'clock. Do we get some little pickup in volatility? Doesn't look like it. Maybe it's Independence Day in Asia. Anyways, where is Mrs. Futures Floor? She's not online anymore. I just got a trade in gold. Sell ask. Wow, look at it. It's going right away to target. I didn't even get fully filled. Cocksucker. Oh, well. What can you do? Long to 23.070. Then I'm holding my shorts all day. Oh, yeah, it's true. I said I was going to play with my balls. I'm bored. I'm going to play with my balls. Wow, look at that dump. Fuck, you couldn't fill me for 3 lot. Fills me for a 1 lot. Topstep would have filled me for a 3 lot. Chinese balls, guys, when I say I'm playing with my balls. I won already. Oh, you weren't here. You didn't hear what happened. My account didn't get formed or whatever. So I sent them an email. Hold on, let me open it up. I said, hey, it's Sunday. My account is pending and I don't have my login credentials. What's going on? So they wrote me back. Hello, Futures Floor. Upon Mr. Futures Floor, upon checking your records, it looks like your account had a failed creation issue. We have 2 options for you. We can refund you the full amount, and you'll need to purchase a new test account, or we can give you a free account as a replacement, and the free account is valid for 60 days with no renewal fee, so I can take 60 days to pass. But if you've not passed it after 60 days, wah, 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 the account expires. That's okay. I've never had an account for 60 days, an eval. We will still attach the same promo to the free account if you choose this option. So I wrote him back. The guy's name was Eggy. I'm not joking. Yeah, wood chip took 12 days. I'm from Canada. Canadians get better service. They replied to me in like 30 minutes. So I took door number 2. The guy's name was Eggy. I said, hey, Eggy, thanks. Give me door number 2. And they said, you will have to cancel your original account. So I went and I canceled my original account. Yeah, it says same promo. I got it all in writing. I saved it. Wow. So look, we're getting an increase in volatility. Gold, average range, 2.15. And look at that little dump there. So it's 9 o'clock. Yeah, nothing happened exactly at 9, but now it's coming alive. Okay, that's cool. I told them we're trying to run a competition, a 50K trading competition, and they should sponsor it next time. No one should have to pay for the accounts. And then it becomes the Take Profit Trader 50K trading account competition. And they get the advertisement. And I told them they better hurry. Otherwise, it's going to be the Apex Trader Funding 50K trading account competition, so they better not drag their feet. Gold is going to set up for another trade very soon. Shit, they couldn't film me, the bastards. There we go. Now they give me the 3. You know when they give you the 3? Yeah, when it goes against you. That's when they give you the 3 lot. Probably not a very good trade. Anyways, it is what it is. Where is my ad? My ad is up at 333.2. Let me put it in. Sell limit. It's a very tight stop. Look how close it is to the stop, my ad. That's a joker ad. Adding close to your stop. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's got almost no risk with all blue sky potential. Look at the risk to return on that trade. I'm in the mood to hear the cash register, guys. I'm getting rid of my ad. Butter stunts, yes. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Yeah. Butter stunts. Boom, boom, bow, bow.
Oh, yeah.
Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Where are you? Where are you? File. Yes, winner, winner. I'm actually also doing not bad. I mean, for the size that I'm trading. Wow, we're dumping. We're dumping, we're dumping. You make me laugh. What am I doing? Going here, going here, going here, going here. I'm not telling you what I'm doing. It's a secret. It's all for tomorrow. You guys all need to join in tomorrow. Full of fun and surprises. And so much more, as they say when they're trying to sell you a New Year's package. We got balloons and champagne and so much more. You know what so much more means? It means nothing more. Because if they knew what it was, they would have said it. Wow, that didn't work. Okay. Still going down, eh? Let me in. I'm cooking dinner. Tried your room audio for denied. I don't even know what that means. Tried your room for audio for denied. Tried your room audio for denied. Same promo, then fine. I'm cooking dinner. Deal me in. Does Nightbot win? Nightbot wins again. Nightbot never loses. Wow, gold. Hey! Were you guys watching me on the big screen TV?
New bombshells in the
You're
arena.
on the screen, by the way, just so you know. Okay.
Soon they're gonna see this face on YouTube.
Yep, they are.
Making money.
Yep. Everybody say hi. You're on your way? You're off?
Yeah.
Okay. Different sun.
You have more balls.
Yeah, no, there's a set in David's room if you want him.
Yeah, I'll take them.
He doesn't use them. It is, Alex.
I finally found a week where my setup
hey.
1 hour, 2 hour.
Say hi to Woodchip. He's saying hi.
What's up, Woodchip?
Hey, did you see my
He has a shirt on. Must be Alex. It's because it's nighttime. If it was during the day, I would have no shirt if it was the morning, too.
have you seen the animations I made?
No.
Really? You haven't?
No.
This is Woodchip. You know Woodchip works with woodworking and stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, you won't hear it. Hold on. You guys are gonna have to hear echo. Too bad for you. That's your problem, not mine. Oh, it's not gonna come through. Yeah, no, my OBS is set up just for the. Anyways, it's hey, Coach Fred. My audio is just set up for oh, here, hold on. You see it over there? There you go. Oh, here, hold on. You see it over there? Oh, I didn't even realize my mic was off. I was talking. What? Oh, just to, you know, stress.
Be lucky balls or just stress balls?
No, just stress balls. You just roll them in your hand. Compliance is watching you. Really? What am I not complying with? I think I'm compliant. Trying to be compliant. Okay, let's put away the balls. Stop playing with my balls. Get my clicker back in. I'm going to play with my clicker. Either I'm playing with my balls or I'm playing with my clicker. Are you going to stay in my channel? Every time you come in my Discord, you get off my thing and then I have no viewers. You got to stay in the channel. If I see my viewers go down, I'm closing it. Hold on. Oh, you're making my life hard. You know, I don't know how to remember how to do this. Look, I've already closed things I probably shouldn't have. Okay, Woodchip wants to make an appearance. There he is. I see him. I'm coming, Woodchip! I didn't want you to, you know, I don't want you to get worried. Hold on. Now I got to figure out how to do this. It's going to take me 20 minutes.
Other people in there? What the hell is this?
What? This goes away. That's step number 1. Step number 2.
Echo.
That's got to go. Oh, that's you. If there's an echo, it's you. All my mics, all my speakers are off. That opens. That opens. That opens. What room are you in?
I'm in the good room. I'm in the room where people make money.
Ah, that's the best room to be in. Why is it not showing up? We're in the public room, right? It's called public.
What is with the echo?
It's you. You got 2 speakers open. You're either playing my my live stream, so you're getting the echo.
Oh wow, that's never happened on phone before. Yeah, that's what was going on.
Okay.
What's going on?
Shut it.
What are the trades for the evening? Do you have a synopsis on where we should be going?
Well,
I want to know.
Short.
I'm cooking chicken right now.
We're
about to simmer some onions.
You know how simple my approach is, right? If we have a bearish candle, I'm short. We're going down. That's it. That's about it. That's as complex as I get. Hold on, let me get my.
Is that what we're doing right now?
Yeah, well, you don't see. You don't know.
I need trade entries. I'm cooking. I need trade entries.
Okay, well, I'll just give you a synopsis. When you last got off, the VWAP was at 22,990, just under 23,000. We were flip-flopping on. We were flip-flopping on both sides of VWAP, but since then, we pretty much dumped. We went down 100 points. That's pretty impressive, and it all. You know what? What did I say?
Yeah, did we get the whole gap fill?
Oh, no, now you're getting complicated. Oh, almost 22,904. We got as low as 22, let's say 916 approximately.
Oh, sweet. Because I was going for, what did I say earlier? 2230, I think. Didn't I? Or
oh, I think I got the cameras
2330.
Well,
I forgot.
Look at you. You're so small.
Who?
Oh, the camera feed. It's so small. I don't know why, but.
Oh, maybe it's because it's from my phone and not computer.
No. It's me also. It's small. That's okay. We'll just do that. And let me find this again. There we go. So many things to do. So yeah, I was down 50 even, down 50 even, down 50 even, and then I got a couple of moves down, and now I'm up 62.
Oh, nice.
It's not enough to retire on, but it's a start.
Is that the challenge, the competition account?
No. But I don't know if you heard. It's all done. They gave it to me. I have my login. I got my credentials. Everything is done. Cool. It got settled all tonight, all in the evening. Joker said, no.
I think I might have heard that. Yeah.
Joker said.
Oh yeah. What did he say? Why?
No, I didn't say why, but he said, don't do it. And I said, too late.
I know, that's what he told me.
Too late.
But when you read it, I was like, oh, that sounds like a pretty sweet deal. 60 days instead of 30? Why didn't I do that?
Yeah.
I just was worried that they might not, like, yeah, I don't know. I think he had an
Who
issue with
knows?
them. So
We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. For
we
now,
shall see.
like I said, for now I have 60 days to pass. I feel like I already won the competition. I'm the only one that gets a prize.
You can outlast it, but it's the first one to do it. So
Yeah.
like you said though, your strategy will just be to wait and let everyone blow out their account.
That's it.
Kind of like that's kind of how Robin's Cup went. Man, remember Trades
Ah.
on Matt got top position like within like a month, and then he just blew up.
Okay. Yeah, I remember him talking about it. He was saying how much commissions there were.
He was at the top.
Yeah.
Yeah, the commission. Yeah, and he said before the thing happened, he said if I have to go down to micros, then it's not worth it. I'm gonna just quit because it's a real money account. And
Yeah.
what are you trying to do? I'm sure you got a ton of subscribers from it though.
Well, I'm going to lose, but like ICT, I'm going to lose on purpose, allegedly.
Oh yeah.
gonna-
Yeah, it's good to do that.
Yeah, I'm going to lose on purpose.
Yeah, I actually do. Have
I
a
want to
conspiracy
give other people a chance
conspiracy
to
theory.
win, you know? I'm tired of all the winning.
theory about him. I do. I have a good conspiracy theory about him because I watched tons of his videos.
Yeah.
I think that he could possibly be banned. Not from prop firms, from actual brokers. He jokes about it in the video, and the way he laughed about it and said, "Are you kidding me? Do you not think that you can't get banned from a broker?"
No, you can't. I will never believe that. There is no way.
Yeah, I don't know.
There is no way you'll
It
make
could be
me believe
smoke. He could just be blowing smoke. I mean, but if it aligns with the minivan taking him out and stabbing him or whatever happened, then there's more credibility if all that stuff happens. Then he probably is banned. They're like, Michael Huddleston, you must never trade ever again. And he's like, okay, F you guys. I'm going to put it all on YouTube for free.
There is no such thing. Come on.
That's my conspiracy theory.
Look at the size that the banks and the funds, the amount of money they push through. Do you really think they're worried about his 5 lot? And they fight against each other. They find ways to screw each other over, the banks. So believe me, no one's got no one's got a magic lever in their basement that they're pulling and winning on every trade.
No, I don't think so. But just based on his telegram this year, I was like, damn, he wasn't actually wrong once with his calls every Sunday before the week started. He's like, we're going here. Wherever you go, right there, like within a couple days.
Is it a little bit
Pretty
like,
nuts.
Is it a little bit like horoscope? Is it vague that left up to interpretation?
No, he was. I swear to God, he was calling specific price, and it was hitting there. That's yeah. I mean, I guess that's why I use his stuff, not just because of that, but when I saw that, I was like, yeah, of course, he should do that. I mean, that's what he. That's the thing.
Yeah. Well, I'll go on record and say again, I think the education he put out is top notch. A1. 5-star. Absolutely. Not just saying that. I'm not blowing smoke out of my ass. I really believe it is. I don't believe he's I don't believe he's a market god, but I believe people can take that info, run with it, and become a profitable trader.
I think you figure out a way to, in the best possible way, to teach how to trade, because you can't teach how to trade. It's impossible. I've tried it. I cannot teach someone how to trade.
Yeah, he's a great speaker.
Even Joker can't teach me how to trade. He's like, dude, don't do it. Don't be an idiot. And then like we're out of connection, and I click the button, and I'm an idiot again. Right?
Well,
so
you don't want to try the clicker thing. You think it's too silly? I'm not joking. I'm not being facetious. It works. It's working well.
Hey, I'm just happy I got you playing with Chinese balls.
But it doesn't have to be a clicker. It just has to be anything that just makes you take the one extra second to say that your brain is connected and you're not acting impulsively. And it's
I like it. I like it.
And it's not going to be 100%. It doesn't mean, hey, yeah, but Mike, you're still making mistakes. You know what? I'm making a shit ton less mistakes, if you've noticed. And when I say a shit ton, I mean a shit ton. Yeah, I still make mistakes. I don't think you can trade without making mistakes. I don't even think that's possible.
You can't learn without making mistakes in general in life.
No, but even when you're 100% set already, you're still going to make mistakes. You're still going to get bored and still take an impulsive trade every now and then. You still may oversize because you're going to want to get a little greedy. But as long as it only happens sporadically and you don't risk your account and you take your stops. DCAing until you blow your account is not a mistake. That's just garbage. That's just garbage. But if I allow myself a 3 lot and then I take an 8 lot, but I respect the stop and I just throw away, let's say, my day's profits, that's not so bad. You know, if I consciously, not impulsively, but if I consciously decided I want to do that today, I want to try that today. I got my balls out again.
That's true. Yeah. I mean, a lot of times if I get a good session in the morning, like London, then I'm willing to risk half of that, you know?
Yeah,
during the day session.
Especially
I'm like, well, we got bank money right now, so I know this is a good trade setup, so I'm going to take it.
Especially if you got end of day drawdown, you're laughing.
Oh, yeah. I know. That's why I want to forever leave Apex as soon as I extract a little more moolah from them.
You're going to break up with Apex?
A lot more. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to drop them forever after I get a decent payout.
Did you see that video where they said where he said they have like 200,000 or 250,000 active subscriptions?
Yeah, I heard you say that earlier today, right? And
is that insane?
Like,
is that
it's
insane?
Not. No, I actually thought it was kind of low because you're talking about people all over the world. So.
Wow.
Is he talking about users or accounts?
No,
because accounts seems like that was
active accounts.
Active accounts. It seems kind of low. I would think it would be like in the millions. Not 250,000.
No, they're just the guy that did the interview said they were just the number now is like 300,000 or something.
Active accounts. Huh.
Yeah. Well, when you get an account, if you're new and you get an account, it's numerical. So if you see whatever your number is, you can tell how many accounts they've created. Like my son is, I think, 278,000. So let's say when he bought his first account, it was 278. 000, that's for 278,000, let's say as an example, and then and then 0001 because it was first account. Anybody want?
Well, I can tell you. Go ahead. Sorry.
Oh, I was going to say, anybody want to guess what my account number is? Take a guess.
Were you pre-Suns or pre-BC or 80? After death, or
you're not so far. You're not so far away, Mike. I'm one of the Apex OGs, but not that close.
Oh,
I'm in the 4,000s.
Wow.
Yeah, so I was their customer number 4,000 and something.
Very nice.
Yeah. I'm an Apex loyalist. I like Apex. Like I said, they've never done anything bad to me. Never. You know, even when there's problems, it got fixed so quickly for me. I haven't had any of the bad experiences that anybody else that other people talk about. And I understand all the crap they've gone through. And I think if people actually spend some time to think about it, if you're not a scammer and a schemer, as they say, which they are out there, the scammers and the schemers, you definitely know there's people trying to figure out how to scam their way and pull money out of this. If you're not one of them, I don't know. I don't think they've done harm to too many people. But, you know, if you and I organize that you go short and I go long and we're trying to pull money out like that, I'm sorry. You can't complain that they shut us down. You can just be happy that you were able to do it for as long as you could and shut up. That's the way it, you know.
Yeah.
You know, basically
Well, I can tell you.
Go.
I was gonna say I could tell you where those 250K accounts are, or 250,000 accounts, not to be confused with 250K account. It's 0-Day J, Patrick Whelan. Let's just go down the list. And in about 2 minutes, we're gonna have the majority, half of that is just the streamers.
Yeah, maybe. Eh? No, because the most you have, the most I think you can have is like 20 or 30.
No. Oh, that's very sad. Oh no, it's not sad. Out my window of the kitchen by the sink, a hummingbird laid a nest, and they lay a nest. They lay a nest by using spider webs. They go around the windows of houses and collect spider webs because it's like super strong.
That's fascinating.
And so we got to see these two baby hummingbirds, and they just left the nest today. But now I see the mom back, and I see one of them on a ledge across from the nest. Yeah, it's super cool. They're learning how to fly.
I thought you were going to say you see them on the floor underneath the nest.
I looked several times because they were so tiny you couldn't even see into the nest.
Mm.
And they were still in there. Yeah, it was pretty cool. You see the hummingbird feed them, and their metabolism is crazy. So the mom has to keep leaving and coming back over and over, like for hours.
You said hummingbird, right?
Yeah, hummingbird. Yeah.
Okay, so when the
never seen that.
When the eggs were in the nest, you didn't want to know what hummingbird scrambled eggs taste like.
No, I started wondering what's their predator like, and I thought it was kind of weird that they laid a nest right at the edge of a big or the edge of what do you call it? It's kind of like a twig. It's a kumquat tree or a loquat tree, and the branches are really like they're like super flexible.
Okay, no,
when the wind
blows, yeah.
Yeah, it bounces all over the place. So I kept looking below to see if one of them had bailed and splatted, but nope.
Yeah, that's weird.
Whoa, that cumin will get you every time.
Yeah, you were saying Alex, same shirt. These guys, I swear to God, they all have this. The two of them, they buy the same clothes. It's hilarious.
No, I only said it because he actually had a shirt on, but then he said,
okay.
You know.
Yeah, but they have two of everything. They're twins as you can get. But they don't.
Yeah, that's cool.
They don't dress the same when they go out.
Do they trade girls too?
No. Alex is in a serious relationship.
Do they ever go to class for each other? You know, common things.
I refuse to answer that question on the ground.
Oh, okay.
That it may incriminate me.
Yeah, that's funny. And crazy. That would be quite a lie. Man, I can't make it tonight. Can you go for me?
I'll just use the word.
Try not to say anything.
Yeah. I'll just use the word allegedly.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, it's fun. It's an advantage they had throughout their whole lives. Growing up, they attract attention, you know, even though twins are a lot more common now than before, but at least it seems so. But yeah, they attract attention.
Oh yeah, I think so because of the boosters pills you can take.
They attract attention at the
quintuplets.
Gym. Quintuplets. Well, my friend had my wife's friend had triplets. Actually, that's how we were like, I don't know, 5 or 6 families that all had twins. we all got to know each other from the hospital. We all kind of stayed friends for a very long time. Not so much anymore, but up until like 12 or 13 years old. So we would have birthday parties, and it looked like a twin festival.
Oh, that's funny.
There was
and most people, I heard most people that have twins, they stop. They don't have any more kids because they're like, whoa, that was like way too crazy. Like, do it once.
It was hard. That was hard. It was hard. They're born, well, ours were born prematurely, so, and I think a lot of twins are born prematurely.
I would imagine just because of the mom can only eat so much to feed them both, right? Maybe. I don't know. I'm not a doctor.
I don't
talking
know
out of my ass,
either,
but
can you do that?
well, sometimes.
Now that's a party trick.
I've been told, mostly by my lady.
And for an encore, we have Woodchip, who's going to talk out of his ass.
Yeah, Ace Ventura style. No. You hear that? That's my Chinese garlic balls in my hand. Getting this.
No, I hear a little bit out of the background, but I think your mic.
Oh yeah, you can't hear it again. That's crazy. Yeah.
I think it's doing noise suppression. Yeah, you know what? It suppresses, I guess, sudden
you can't even
noise.
hear the sizzling. Yeah.
Because I was making a video the other day, and I did like a kissing sound, which maybe you didn't even hear. It didn't pick it up. And I said, "What?" I thought it was an error. I did it a few times, and it never picked it up. I guess it was too, it's like you said, when you cough, I think you were the one that told me if you put on noise suppression, it won't pick it up because it's a sudden burst. So,
yeah, what is that called? I forget what it's called.
Suppression.
Compression, I think.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's it. I think it's compression. That's it, yeah. Anyways, whatever. I have it on the mic, so yeah, it doesn't pick up those kinds of things. Wow, it's 9:35. Isn't it time to quit?
Isn't
it quitting time? 6:30.
I mean, this is kind of. I have my theories about 12-hour continuums.
Yeah.
So every 12 hours. This is the New York Open, but it's in a different way. So you would expect to move. I don't even have my chart because I'm cooking, but
you told me. You told me 8:30 was the 12-hour thing.
8:30, yeah. 8:30 is London close, so it would stand to. They'll also hold it for that too. I mean, to think about it.
Yeah,
I just think about it. I don't bank on it or anything, but I think about it.
Today the
major turnovers.
Yeah, today the big move was at 9:00. Remember we were having a discussion. Is the Asia Open the 8 o'clock?
Yeah, we got.
Today the big move
market
was
dropped its pants for a minute and then bounced back up.
Guys, my eyes are tearing. I'm not crying. Just in case you're wondering. I yawned. When I yawn, my eyes tear, and I'm too lazy to clean it. I don't have anything anyways. Okay, I got another short. I think I'm going to take it. What the hell? Let's take a short. There we go. Let's see if I can ring the cash register one more time. Put my stop in the right place.
All right, I'm throwing the carrots in with your permission.
I give you permission. My wife made a salad with carrots the other day. Everyone yelled at her. Who makes a salad with carrots?
This is going to go in the oven in 15 minutes. That's all right.
Poor girl. We almost made her cry because of her salad.
What? What was wrong with the salad?
Oh, no, I said my wife made a salad with carrots. And everybody at the house gave her a hard time because she put carrots in the salad.
Were they like shredded carrots or?
No. Big
chopped carrots.
Big pieces.
That's funny. Like some people don't like it either if you do like the walnuts with cranberries because you're like.
Oh my God, that's phenomenal.
Yeah, but it tastes great. But you're expecting to bite down on a cranberry, and suddenly it's a walnut on the molar that you're not supposed to chew on, or
Oh no!
whatever.
Didn't you say
You're like, I gotta do it.
You go to the dentist tomorrow. No, didn't you say walnuts and cranberries?
Yeah. My mom makes a salad like that.
Okay, well then you shouldn't be expecting anything. You just put it in. You know there's walnuts. You know there's cranberries.
Yeah, same thing with like different types of fish.
No fish. No.
I used to think I hated fish, but it was just because really didn't like it and spiked in the jaw with a bone. While I'm enjoying a soft, savory piece of fish, and then you're like, oh my god.
Yeah.
But
We bought that.
I guess you could draw parallels with everything. Seedless watermelon, the list goes on.
My daughter likes fish. I don't buy fish because I don't like it, so the family goes fishless. Dad, make fish. No, since I'm the cook, I get to choose. I'm not buying fish. But anyways, long story short, I bought my daughter trout. Holy shit.
You don't like fish?
No, I don't like fish.
Salmon? No salmon? Grilled salmon?
Nah, tuna only.
Oh, man.
Tuna only.
Tuna, okay. Tuna from a can? Or tuna like sushi?
No.
How about
The cheap stuff.
some raw sushi?
Tuna from a can.
Oh, come on.
I don't know. Sushi, I don't think a human should eat sushi.
You might like the eel at the sushi house. They cook it.
Ooh, that sounds delicious. You remember I like pepper. You remember
It is good. It was my first sushi.
You remember I like pepperoni pizza, right?
Yep.
Hey, gold is fucking.
You like
taking
pizza
off.
in general.
Yeah. Gold is. My wife's putting me on a diet. We're starting this week. You know why we're starting this week, Mike? It's because of you and your story about the carnivore diet.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I mean, what he said. Yeah, I mean, also just like congrats to him for being so open and honest about that.
Yeah.
That was a crazy story.
So what happened? I don't even know. We talked about it on Friday.
Good.
On Sunday, my wife.
He'll be here. He'll be here to remind you.
Because of his story, she's got me sitting down at the table on Sunday. We're working out a menu plan. We're not doing it as extreme as Mike was, like just carnivore. We're kind of going to do a carnivore keto, like, you know, allowed some, you know, like, I don't know. I can't just do strict meat like that. I'll lose my mind and I won't stick to it. So we're going to kind of do a combination of protein and fat and cut out the sugars. Mike, I wanted to ask you though, on the one that you do you allow, how many grams of carbs do you allow yourself in a day? 5, 3, 10, 20? Like I'm thinking between 20 and 30. If a person's going to try to do carnivore, but still have some dairy, because there's, you know, everything's got 1-2 grams of fat per serving. Yeah, okay, so that's what I was thinking. That's what we're going to do. She's going to try to shove vegetables down my throat. That's going to be fun to see.
Nothing wrong. Nothing wrong with that.
I'm not a veggie guy.
What are you, a kid? Put some cheese on that broccoli. Choke it down. Dip it in ranch
Oh my
dressing.
God, yeah,
Come
milk.
on.
Forget it. Milk is... My wife almost, I think, had diabetes from the milk when she was pregnant. No joke.
From what? Milk?
From milk, yeah. They said she was having way too much milk. Her insulin or sugar was spiking, and they were monitoring her when she was pregnant with the twins.
I mean, dairy's really not great for most people in general. Your body doesn't like it.
Yeah, that's what I heard.
Gets you bloated, gets you gassy, all the stuff, all the things.
Gets you what?
Like when you're
bloated?
Gassy, bloated. Yeah. And then when you're a kid, like I was, and the number one thing that I didn't know until I was past adolescence for acne was milk.
No
way.
It was
dairy. Yep. As soon as I quit dairy, and I still have dairy here and there, but yeah.
I never heard that.
I mean, there's other things that can give you acne breakouts, of course, but dairy was that was the main thing. As soon as I quit it, my whole face cleared up, and that was it. I was like, wow.
That's funny. Mike says he'll never give up dairy. You know what my poison is? Salt.
Yeah.
Of all things, Of all things, I'll never give. Oh my God, JC's still listening. Hey, there's a rule. A wife can't listen to a stream for more than 5 minutes. That's it. You're on a clock there, JC.
She's like, you're doing this.
It's okay. We'll try our best. We'll do our best.
Yeah, and then every time you lose the trade, I think you should get back to all the push-ups you were talking about before.
I'll keep you guys updated. I'll tell you how much weight I lost by each week.
That's hard when you get older, though, right? I mean,
Woo! It really is.
Metabolism and all that crap.
I don't know if you guys know
especially more so for women than men, I think. But
yeah. I don't know if I'm.
What I've heard, Red.
Yeah, I don't know if I mentioned it on my birthday. There, I turned 60. I don't know if you guys know. That was my 60th birthday.
When was your birthday?
A couple of weeks ago.
Was that the all-night stream? Was that the all-night stream for your birthday and I missed it?
It might have been, yeah. I don't remember, but it's possible.
No. Did you all-night stream on your birthday? Now you're making me feel bad.
I think it was. Yeah, I really do think it was, yeah. I mean, we had my wife threw a little party for me. That was on Saturday, but my birthday was on Monday, so it's possible. Yeah, I think I did the all-night stream on.
When were we all having the tissing contest and coming up with this idea of a trading challenge? Was that Thursday?
It wasn't me that came up with it. Who came up with it? I think it was you and Joker.
I didn't come. I don't know. Actually, it's recorded, so we should go back and find out who is the instigator.
Yeah,
and see who follows through.
That's it. Mike says that was all me. I don't remember who it was.
Was that Mike? No,
that's what
maybe.
He says. That's what he says.
Yeah, he's like secretly in his mind, he's saying to himself, "You know what? We should do a trading competition because I have this bot and it like works like a charm." And I can pull for it for like 30 seconds and pass an account.
I've been coding this secret system here all weekend. It's I think it's gonna be pretty damn good. Look at all those details. I don't know. Can you guys see it? Yeah.
I saw you trying something, and then you said
current swing low, swing high 1, swing high 2, tracking high.
What was the strategy tester you didn't like? Something like that? You're like, the hell with this.
Yeah. It's right. Now, strategy tester doesn't work. That just doesn't come up with. That's when you just run as a back test. It doesn't, I can't even do one day and get results.
How does that test work? What program is that? Is that Ninja?
Yeah, it's Ninja. Tester? It's Ninja. You apply your strategy inside. You tell it what day, and you run it, and you see what the results are. But it never comes out even close to what it should be.
That's funny. Yeah, they have that in TradingView too, but I've never.
I think the one in TradingView.
No idea how to use it.
I'm guessing the one in TradingView probably works well. I'm guessing the one in. I'm not guessing. The one in MT4 works like a charm. It's exactly accurate to what you would get if you were trading in
MT4?
Yeah.
Is that an ICT shout out?
No, it's for forex.
You use MT4.
Okay, MT4. Yeah.
So people said he was faking his account.
Yeah. Well, you can fake your account with anything.
No matter what. No matter what. People are gonna hate.
Hey, it's true. What's my account number in?
I love it.
He's
actually retired now. I think, to be honest, I think he's done. He's gone.
Yeah, why not? He made his money.
Yeah, and he called himself the Ghost in the Machine, so it's perfect to be the ghost. Goodbye. Later, man. Thank you. Thank you, by the way.
Well, he left his legacy. I think he's by. Yeah, is there anyone bigger than him?
As a trading educator, I don't think there's anyone bigger than him.
Yeah, me neither. And I don't think
whether you believe it or not, or have the patience. That's the thing. Trading, in the end, no matter what system you use, in the very, very end, when you start talking to your friends that are traders and you're all getting together, like we have, and do our powwows, it's like, hey, just be more consistent and patient. Wait for the setup. And that's his whole mantra is like, This is how you can learn to be consistent. You have to be patient and risk nothing. Yeah, I know. Chicken's in the oven. You want snacks?
No, I'm good. We ate supper. Thank you.
No, my daughter in the background. We went to our first real movie today,
Oh wow.
and it was Shrek. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
So
It was a little bit over her head.
So
You know,
today,
Shrek,
so today you went to
Mike
your first.
Myers.
Yeah. No, I know. Of course, I know Shrek. I love Shrek. But you said today you went to your first real movie. So before that, you were going to fake movies.
No, yeah, they were kind of fake because it was at the library, even though it was a big screen, but it wasn't like a movie theater. It's all dark.
That's what you mean. I get it.
The sound is like there, and it's amazing. And you should be short right now.
I am.
Yeah. I'm just saying you should because I'm narcissistic, so you should be short too, right?
I'm short and I'm holding. You should be proud of me.
Yeah. I want to see 22,759 hard.
I want to see 16, I want to see 16,000.
All right, check this out. Though. There's two
If we
midnight
got 16,000,
opens
I'm gonna win the competition with this one lot.
I'm not even in that account, but there's 2 midnight opens below us. There's 3.
How can there be 2 midnight opens? There's only 1 midnight.
Multiple days, and so the first one's at 861, second one's at 739.50, and then there's 2 new day opening gaps below that at 22,680. That's what Joker target will be. I bet. I haven't even talked to him, but I bet you he's targeting that.
He had a target.
He's a heavy hitter.
He left a message. You want me to read it to you? Let me just find it. Yeah,
Joker's the Babe Ruth of trading, bro.
Yeah,
or maybe CK. Who knows? They're both contenders. We'll see what happens with the competition. Who blows up first?
Joker, sup, Alex? Joker. Yeah, he had
Let's see. What do we have for stocks?
Long to 23,070, and then he's holding shorts. So he's saying go up to 23,070 is the thesis, and then start looking for shorts. 23,070. So let's say pretty much just a little bit over Friday's close. Friday's high. Friday's high. Just a little bit over Friday's high.
Ain't nobody gonna get it right like I did. Shorten at 23,100.
100. I remember that one.
On your live channel, I was like, I'm short right here, 23,100. And I even added just slightly below.
Is that the all-time high also? I think it is.
It is.
Oh, wow, look at that. There's a badge of honor, eh?
Kinda. I mean, I'm only saying it because I want the compliments, right? But seriously, I don't care.
That was a spectacular.
We're all spouting out things. We're spouting things every day. Doesn't matter. Just because you get it right once doesn't mean you should attribute it to skill.
Why not? When I watch hockey, what do you think? When Ovechkin shoots, you think he scores on every shot? No, but he still makes the highlight reel.
Yeah,
that's what it's about. It's about. Yeah, you like that one, eh?
Maybe.
Depends
on what highlight reel. It could be like the Justin Bieber loser highlight.
No.
Nothing against him, but he's just gotten a lot of bad press, and he's lashing back a little. And I understand that.
Who are you talking about, Ovechkin or Justin Bieber?
Justin Bieber.
You get Justin Bieber news?
No, I see it on the shorts on YouTube.
Yeah.
See different things and I click on them because it's clickbait. Everyone does it. So you're like, wait, what? How old is he now?
I don't click on Justin Bieber shorts.
Damn. He's throwing his hands with the cameras, the paparazzi.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter what he's doing. I'm not a fan. I'm one of his biggest anti-fans.
I'm definitely not a fan of what he's created, but is what it is.
Butter Stunts just came up with a hashtag. Did you see it?
Hmm?
Butter Stunts came up with a new hashtag. Go and look at it in the chat.
Oh, I had to close that because it was an echo. Let me see.
Wood chip is a believer.
That's funny. No, I'm not defending him at all. I mean, I don't care. I just saw a recent video of him, like, and I saw, like, yeah, it's a whole other thing. The only reason I actually saw that video is because of this behavioral analysis guy on YouTube that watches trials and can tell who's lying and tells you why they're lying based on their lips or their shoulders or arms or gestures. It's fascinating to me. I love that.
Oh, really? There's a show called Lie to Me. It was a series.
Oh, really?
I don't remember who the actor was in it. Shit. Whatever it was. I don't remember. I love the guy as an actor, but what a great series. If you like that kind of analysis, I think you're going to like it. Check it out. It's called Lie to Me. Lie space TO space ME. Lie to Me.
I like this guy because he's non-biased, even if it's like he covered Johnny Depp, Amber Heard, and he covered lip reading on Barack Obama and Trump at the Jimmy Carter's funeral.
Oh yeah, those are
like he covered a lot of stuff.
Yeah,
super interesting to hear, and whatever, has nothing to do with trading, but it's fun to talk about. Sorry to waste up your bandwidth.
Butterstun says he feels bad for him a little bit because he got allegedly diddled by the diddler.
Yeah. Yeah, he might have got some baby oil or something.
Allegedly.
I mean, he was a baby, so it makes sense that baby oil would be present. But
look, it's
is that case over? The Diddy case?
I heard it is.
Is Jennifer Lopez back in the country now because of that, or what?
I have no idea.
I heard she left the country, went to France. Some crazy stuff. And she and Ben Affleck got divorced right when all that stuff went down. I don't think that's real either. I think she had to for some kind of financial reason. I have no idea.
Yeah, no. I don't think that was alleged. I think it was confirmed. Yeah, I don't know.
Oh, she had a hand in some of his dealings and could have been an accomplice because she had a gun in her purse at the nightclub where he shot up someone.
Wow.
I think that's why she fled.
She's a badass.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Well, she was carrying it for him, but still. There's like videotapes, you know.
Here, babe, carry my gun.
VHS. There's like VHS tapes. That's all we have for Diddy. Bunch of people standing around with camcorders. It went on for so long. And they're like, damn, why is it fluttering? Oh, it's because of VHS tape. This is a forehead VCR, but you know, the tape ran out. Played it too many times.
You know what? With the internet now, you don't know what's true anymore. So,
well, you do if it's on tape, on VHS tape or cassette tape.
Nope.
Like great music was always on cassette tape in your car.
Cassette tapes. Yep, and then you stick the pencil in so that you can tighten it.
Yeah. Or you put the tape over the little spot so you can record over it. Yeah, all the stuff. That was nuts.
Good.
You want a snack?
No,
okay.
I'm good. Thanks.
I wish you could hear her. She's so sweet. I would like a snack, please. All right, let me see what I can do. Oh, it might be pickles.
Just don't make it fish.
It's pickle time.
Hey, get me out. I had enough. I think that was alleged.
Pickle time.
Dill pickles? Is there any other kind of pickle?
Kosher dill pickles from
like when you say
you don't have Trader Joe's.
No, when you say pickle, right? That means a dill pickle. You can't. There's no such thing as another kind of pickle, as far as I know, right? A pickle is a dill pickle.
Ask Mr. Chat GBT.
I don't have my phone. Oh, no, I do. Here it is. Hey, my wife's quiet, eh? She's quieted down.
What's the difference between a kosher dill pickle and a normal dill pickle, and what is a dill pickle? I think a dill pickle is just a whole pickle.
I
To be honest, they come in
a
all
kosher dill
sizes.
pickle.
You want one of these? You can't eat on the couch. Yeah. They're both big. Take whichever one you want.
Is there
This
any
one's
other
longer.
kind of pickle besides a dill pickle? Or are all pickles dill pickles?
Don't get on the couch, though.
Not all pickles are dill pickles. Pickle just means a food that's been preserved in brine.
I know. Are we idiots? Because what is dill when you're cooking as a seasoning? Pickle.
Popular types of pickles: bread and butter pickles, sweet tangy pickles, sweet pickles, kosher pickles, half sour, full sour pickles, gherkin pickles, lime pickles, spicy pickles.
Oh, I've heard of gherkin pickles.
But all pickles are cucumbers, right? But all pickles are cucumbers, right?
Yeah, of course.
Not even close.
And
This is where it gets fun. All pickles are not cucumbers.
oh god. Let's talk about how let's change the subject. Let's talk about how kimchi is made. How do they make kimchi and what's in it?
I was getting hungry.
I bet you're not a fan.
Of
You're not a
what?
fan of kimchi.
No, I don't even know what it is.
Kimchi.
Never tried it.
Oh, it's so delicious. I mean, it's fermented cabbage.
Woo!
You got onions. You got a little pickle in there.
Sounds stinky.
Yeah.
Is
I
it
mean, out
stinky?
the other end, if you eat a lot of it, but you just use it like
No.
you can make eggs and just throw a little kimchi.
Not out the other end. When you open the container, does it stink?
No,
Really?
I wouldn't say so. I mean, there's like vinegar involved because it's fermented.
Oh, that's not so bad. I like vinegar.
Yeah, it's really tasty, and it's it can be very spicy or not
Wow.
too spicy, but it's always kind of like on the spicy side.
So what did you say it was?
It's
Cabbage? Cabbage, what else? Onions?
Cabbage, shredded carrot,
Wow.
onion, and
what
some
is it?
seasonings. I don't.
Is it a mush or it's rolled into something hard? Like,
No, it's just like it's almost kind of like a salsa with cabbage in it, sort of.
yeah. Kimchi?
Yeah, it's yeah, I'm gonna read you the ingredients. I just pulled it up.
I'll
Cabbage,
try it.
garlic, apple, cabbage, garlic, apple, mustard green, salt, carrot, green onion, red pepper, and oh yeah, ginger.
Is it like salsa? Like it's got really low calories and not a lot of
Oh
sugar?
yeah, it's really good for you. It's really good for you and your gut.
Mm.
You pay attention to your microbiome, or
Yeah, I do.
if Mike Stentz is here, he can,
I really do.
Mike Stentz can add. Let me see what this has. Has a little bit. It's got a decent amount of sodium for this whole package. That's the salt.
Sodium is good. I love sodium.
Yeah, but it's not like a can of soup that's like 750 milligrams. This is 270 for the whole package. But all you're doing is getting a few forkfuls of it and putting it on your eggs or whatever. Great, good stuff.
I think I'll try it.
I didn't know about it until I met my partner. So she's all things because she's a health educator and master's degree and all that.
Mm.
Good on her. She knows what's going on. She's a great cook. And she does diet consultation too. Not that I'm hitting you up for it, but
nope. My wife always says, go get a coach.
No, she does like meal plans for people and stuff. It's really crazy. Just for people that are wanting to form a plan and they have these conditions, autoimmune disease or whatever it might be, allergies to certain foods, or the doctor recommended to not do this, and so she's able to supplement the protein that's not there if they're not able to have fish or for whatever, right? So yeah, it's cool. It's good stuff.
Yeah, my wife told me I should get a trainer for the 1,000th time today. I told her, how many times have you told me to get a trainer to help me?
Man,
And I said, and have I ever gone yet? Have I ever even shown the least bit of interest? Stop it. I'm not going to change my mind.
I know. That's tough, especially between your partner. And
It's
you
not
probably
that.
have never said that. You probably never said that to her, is all I'm saying. But
Oh, I don't care that she sends it to me. I'm not a sensitive guy. You can tell me anything. I pride myself
yeah, but
on
as
that.
far as telling someone how to, take care of their body, you need a trainer. Most men don't say that to their wives. I mean, unless they're
you're right.
bodybuilders.
But it doesn't,
You need to get a trainer. It looks like you're really into this, and you're like lifting serious weight. You need a trainer.
yeah. No, I don't
But
see. I don't
no
see
guy,
that.
no guy would ever say that to his wife. Guaranteed.
Yeah,
Guaranteed that.
you need to go on a diet. But
what you really need is just a personal trainer.
so I tell her I don't need a trainer. I can do it on my own. And she says, "Yeah, right. Go look in the mirror."
Oh, that's hard. Wow, you guys are very.
Look how good you're doing.
You guys are so clear. Wow.
So I go look and I say, "Yeah, not so bad, eh?"
Yeah, what are you talking about? Like, I still got it. I still have it. What are you talking about? Go look in the mirror.
Yeah.
You got one of those curved mirrors. You tell her.
Ba-doom. Hey, we got another visitor, Joker.
Hey, what's up, guys? I just
Hey,
They're making fun of me, Joker.
Hey.
They're calling me fat.
happy 4th, Joker.
Happy
Hope
4th.
it was fun.
Who's calling you fat?
What chip?
What shit?
I didn't say that. His wife said it.
He's
I think
making
his
fun
wife-
of me.
I wasn't making fun of you. I was just saying that your wife said that you need a personal trainer, and I said that no man would ever say that to his wife. That's all I said.
I know. my way is funnier.
It's recorded. It's in stone. You can't lie your way out of this.
It
okay?
is. You're right.
Joker will rewatch the stream and be like, "Oh yeah, Aaron did say that."
Yeah.
I just jumped in to say hello. I'm actually watching The Old Guard.
Hey,
With my
Sherry's
son.
back. Hello, Sherry.
The old guard.
Yeah. With Charlize Theron or something.
They're on. Yep.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Yeah.
The Immortal group. We saw part 2,
She's
so
cool.
I figured, hey, let's go watch part 1 first.
Mm.
We started watching this show, Son of a Coach, new on Netflix. It's actually pretty good.
Okay.
So I just figured
Oh,
I saw you
nice.
guys hanging out. I jumped in to say what's up really quick. That's all. I just took a long from 9:20 and 9:22, and I got out at 9:50.
Wow,
But
nice.
Damn.
I really do have 3 targets set to pick me up at 23.53, 23.70, and 23.75 for a short that I will be holding on to. And my son.
Yeah, I'm holding on to a short.
Huh? Hold on.
I'm holding on to a short. I've been holding on to a short.
Not more than a 5 lot, I hope.
No, I'm not even. I don't even have that account connected yet.
No, we're not
Okay.
trading that one yet. Futures, we're doing that. I thought on Monday, right? We're starting that Monday.
Sure, Monday works.
Yeah, I thought is Monday midnight.
Listen, I'm getting
Monday is midnight.
I'm
Yes,
getting
midnight.
scolded. I'm getting scolded by my wife
Okay, go.
that I'm even buying another evaluation account.
Is your wife Sherry?
Oh.
Because she's in the stream.
Nope.
I got
No.
Sherry in the stream.
Well, Hey, but
Well, that's why
Good
we
on
should
you,
have gone
sure.
with BULENOX. There you go.
Actually, I think
doesn't
maybe we should-
matter.
Maybe we should still go with BULENOX, doesn't it? Wait, but isn't
Oh
Omnius
my
doing
God.
Apex? Isn't Omnius doing Apex?
No, Omnius wanted to do BULENOX, but Woodchip gave him a hard time and scared him away.
no, he was talking about Apex.
No, I told him BULENOX because it was $17 or $15.
Listen,
or something.
I think the reality is, I think you can do whichever one you want.
Exactly. That's what I said to wood chip. It doesn't matter
Whichever
which one.
your pocket can afford, do
It's-
it. The only
it's
thing
like-
is that the rules are a little different. There's a different, like with take profit trader, the disadvantage, obviously, you have to trade for 5 days. You can pass the other ones with one
Yeah,
go.
it's different. Yeah.
You know, you can only 50% consistency, and you
That's
only
why
have
we
a
picked it.
$2,000 drawdown, right? There's only a $2,000 drawdown. So it's different, right?
Doesn't that seem unfair if the whole premise of the competition is who passes first? And some people can pass in 1 day, but other
Of
people
course.
can not pass in 5 days.
No,
And
you
we
can-
picked the one that was the
you can-
longer.
It's whoever reaches 3,000. You can reach
Yeah, but
3,000 and
but the
continue
point-
trading.
The futures. The point is this: that the take profit accounts, if you exceed 1,500,
I know, we're almost ready to eat.
You pass. You
go sit down.
There's a
trigger the
consistency
50%.
rule.
The 50% consistency rule.
I
correct.
didn't. Okay,
Yeah.
I didn't know there's.
Correct,
I didn't know
correct.
there's a
There's
consistency.
all
rule.
sorts
look,
of garbage
And then
involved.
at the same time, look, it's an expensive account. I get it. It's not.
Who's
maybe
gonna
it's
make
not the-
$3,000 on a 5 lot in 1 day, anyways?
Who-
That's
me,
300
me.
points.
I would.
I do,
Yeah,
I do
yeah.
it all the time.
Yeah,
My
yeah.
short's about to make $3,000 on my BULENOX account.
I don't like that.
NQ isn't
Smoke.
even moving 300 points in a day anymore. The average range
Like
now
that.
in NQ is like 200 and something, 270.
Yeah, but if I catch 100 one way with
100's all you
another
need.
100, another, with another 5. I mean,
Yeah.
listen, you just got to catch a couple of long scalps, man.
And if I had tits, I'd be a girl.
Good point. But
Well,
look,
you might
I mean-
have them. We haven't seen yet.
oh, another fat joke.
Yeah. That one was below the belt.
No, he's been opening that door all night.
It's okay.
Well, listen, guys, I'm gonna go watch this movie. If you guys are hanging out, which would be awesome if you are, I'll see you guys in a bit. There goes Woodchip. He got upset.
He ran away. No, I think I'm gonna cut out also. I got some work to do. I want to make a few graphics
I
for
mean,
tomorrow and stuff.
I'm glad I jumped in to say hello before you.
Yeah, it was fun. We had some laughs. Okay, so we'll check in tomorrow morning.
Yeah, we'll see what we'll do. Let's regroup in the morning. We'll figure out the little competition. My wife, no BS. My wife is giving me shit about it though.
Yeah.
Only because I promised her, and I also promised that I wouldn't do anything without letting her know, hey, I'm doing X.
Okay.
Right. And I'm good. Like I just took a long. I'm up 163 on my Take Profit Pro account for the day so far. Just the
Okay,
one.
good job. Blame it on
I
Mike.
took a nice-
It was Mike Stunts that came up with it, so blame it on Mike.
What?
The competition. We didn't know who came up with the idea. Mike says it was him.
Oh, listen. I think it's a great idea. I think it's going to be a good time. I think it'll be fun.
Yeah.
It'll also help maintain some type of consistency and discipline, right? Like if we're stuck to doing it with 5 contracts, that's that's big if we can maintain that.
Yeah. I'm curious to see how it goes. Okay. What happened? Who was that? Oh, that was you.
My son came to get me again.
Okay.
I'll see you in the morning.
Let's go. Bye-bye.
Later on. Bye.
Take care. Okay, guys, I'm out. Also, that's enough. That was fun. We had a good time. We had some laughs. Yep, I'm off. I'm off like the prom dress. Me too. And I will see you guys tomorrow morning, 9:15 or earlier. It all depends on how the morning goes. So, à demain, as they say in French, which means I will see you tomorrow. Take care.
Not this again. Tried to size down, trumped again. Daddy's home, don't press send. Clicking in while, no anchor, bro. This gotta end. Every morning, same chart, same zone. Market moving fast, I ain't feeling at home. Break of the high, trapped in disguise. Thought I was the king, turns out surprise. But not in fake, house lurking. Price got me sweating, palms straight hurting. Like, come on, man, where's the edge? I knew. Just need my setup clean, let it come through. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, but not for pain. The boss is back, no room for shame. Futures floor taking over the game. Was down bad last week, too much size, no plan, just vibes. Yeah, that's how you die. Now I'm calm, free lot, clean as snow. Clicking that anchor, let that discipline flow. But now them dopamine traps got me chasing green with no recap. Like chill, bro, let that setup bake. Waiting for the moment, let the market break. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, we trade with aim. The boss is back, no more games. Futures floor putting clowns to shame. Fake breakouts, pump fakes, wicks that lie. Even caught that lunar move, thought I'd fly. But it don't matter what dreams I rent. If I skip the plan, account gets bent. But nah, them weak trades wild. And no anchor, no click, just straight freestyling. Like come on fam, that's not the vibe. Run the alive, click, stamp, click, click. Watch me grow, futures floor, got that inner flow. Daddy's home in full control, let the rest FOMO, we on a roll. He on my OF like it's satisfact, and I'm missing the D. Was lost last week, caught in the heat. Now I'm posted up, clean trade game elite. Tame the urge, let the setup speak. The boss is back, and I ain't missing a beat.